Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel Chapter 7 HOE Salaries. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. My email is shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the description. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 7 HOE Salaries. Okay, I have highlighted this. Then you can focus on my title, this assignment title XP25 Excel Chapter 7 HOE Salaries. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Question number 1 is that first we will increase the font size of this complete instruction file for a proper view in my video. Okay, now the question number 1 of this assignment is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 7 HOE Salaries. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson at Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have downloaded. You can see my Excel workbook. I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Okay, now we will move on next question. The next question of this assignment is that your first task is to extract the year hired from the hire date for each employee. Okay, your first task is to extract the year hired for the hire date for each employee in cell F7 of the date logic worksheet. Insert the year function to identify the year from the date stored in cell E7. Use the fill handle to copy the function from cell F7 to the range F8 to F23 using the fill without formatting option. Okay, simply we will go to cell F7 of the one date logic worksheet. Then we will enter or insert the year function to identify the year from the date. Click on cell F7 in the one date logic, press is equal to, then we will enter. Okay, we will click on cell F7 in the one date logic worksheet. Now we will insert the year function to identify the year from the date stored in cell E7. We will insert the year function, press is equal to, enter year function in cell F7. Now serial number is that, which is serial number, which is given in the question is 7, higher date. Okay, enter. Simply we will click on cell F7, press is equal to, insert year function, and the serial number is higher date. Now we will press enter and it will be show year hired in cell F7. Okay, use the fill handle to copy the function from cell F7 to the range F8 to F23 and using fill without formatting option. Okay, focus and you can see I will do this point on my laptop screen right now. Use fill handle to copy through cell F23. Use fill formatting, fill without formatting checkbox. Click on fill without formatting checkbox. This is done now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 3. The question number 3 is that your next task is to calculate how long each manager and representative has worked for the company. In cell G7, insert the year function using the higher date and last days of the year. Use relative and mixed references correctly. Use the fill handle to copy the function cell G7 to the range G8 to G23 using fill without formatting option. We will go to cell G7 and then we will insert the year function using the higher date. Okay. Higher date and last date. Press higher date and last days of the year. We will click on cell G7. Press is equal to in cell G7. We will enter year function. Year function in cell YEARAC. Okay. Last date minus end date and basics. Higher date. Sorry, start date minus start date and end date. Higher date. Okay, F7 and G42, and then we will press enter. It will be show years employed in cell G7. 1 second. E7. Okay, enter dollars. Okay, enter dollars. E7 and G2. Okay, now use the fill handle to copy the function in cell G7 to the range G8 to G23 using the fill without formatting option. The formula was that first I have clicked in cell G7. Okay, press is equal to in cell G7, enter direct function in cell G7, E7 and G2. Okay, enter this formula E7 and G2, then we will press enter. It will find years employed in cell G7 and complete column G. Okay, and fill without formatting. Okay, now we will move on next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 4. In question number 4, you want to identify which day of the week each employee was hired to do this. You will insert a weekday function to return an integer representing the weekdays. In cell H7, insert the weekdays function using the higher date. Copy the function from cell H7 and paste to the range H8 to H23. Use the no border paste option. Okay, simply we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell H7, then we will insert the weekday function using the higher date. Click on cell H7, press is equal to, enter weekday function. Enter weekday function. Okay, using higher date. Then we will press enter. Okay, weekday into E7. Enter weekday function using higher date in cell E7, then we will press enter. It will be show days of week hired. Now copy the function from cell H7 and paste to the range H8 to H23 using the no borders paste option. Okay, copy this and select this complete column. Go to the clipboard group in the home tab, click on paste button and then click on no paste fill. Okay, this is good. Now we will move on next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 5. I have done 4 questions so far of this assignment. The question number 5 is that you will use a custom number format to display the result as a weekday instead of an integer. Okay, select the range H7 to H23, apply the custom number format DDD form and apply a left horizontal alignment. Okay, the first point of this question is that First, we will select the range H7 to H23. Then we will apply the custom number format DDD form. We will go to Excel workbook, select this range, go to the home tab in the number group. We will open number launcher box and then we will apply custom number format on this range. Go to the custom, remove this general, and then we will type DDDD form. Click on OK button. It will be show days name now. And the second point of this question, apply left horizontal alignment. We will select this range and then we will go to the home tab in the alignment group and then we will apply left horizontal alignment. Click on the left horizontal alignment button. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions so far. Question number 6 is that column B contains column B contains the city location for each account rep and manager. However, you also want to display the regions. Atlanta is and the South, Boston often is and the Northeast, and Chicago and Cleveland are both in the Midwest. You will use the switch function to identify which region each city is in. In cell C7, insert the switch function to identify the city in cell B7. Switch Atlanta for South, cell C2. Switch Boston for Northeast, cell C4. Switch Chicago for Midwest, cell C3. Switch Cleveland for Midwest, cell C3. Insert city name as text string and use mixed references to the cell containing the regions. Copy the function from cell C7 and paste the range C8 to C23 using the formula paste formula option. Okay, focus on my PC screen. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will click on cell. Okay, click on cell C7, then we'll insert the switch function to identify city in cell B7. Okay, click on cell C7, press is equal to, and then we'll enter switch function. Okay, now we will enter this complete statement B7. Okay, Atlanta, then C to Boston, using cell references, enter dollar sign, and then Chicago. Okay, C3. Okay, 1 second. C3 enter dollar sign using cell references. Cleveland, and C3. Okay, you can see first I have clicked on cell C7, press is equal to in the switch function, then I have entered this complete statement which is given in the question. B7 for Atlanta, C2 Boston, C4 Chicago, C3 Cleveland, and C3. Okay, I have entered and press simply click on enter button. It will be show this region names. Copy the function from cell C7 and paste the range C8 to C23 using the paste formula option. Okay, copy the function and we will select this complete column. Go to the home tab in the clipboard group, click on paste button using paste formula option. It will be show complete regions name in column C. Now we will move on next question. I have done this complete question so well. The question number 7 is that now I am going to do question number 7. Your Next task is to calculate the annual bonus amount for each employee. The company uses a tiered bonus system that awards a specific percentage of salary basis on the hire date itself. J7 insert the if as function to test if the hire date is before 1/1/2013. If so, the bonus is 8% of salary. If the hire date is before 1/1/2018, the bonus is 4% of salary. If the hire date is before 1/1/2023, the bonus is 2% of salary. If the none of the condition are met, the bonus is 0. Use mix references to the date in the range J2 to J4 and bonus percentage in the range K2 to K4. Copy the function from cell J7 and paste it in the range J8 to J20. Third, using the paste formula option. Basically, in this question, we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell J7, then we'll insert the if s function to test if the hire date is before. Okay, enter complete statement in cell J7 using insert the if s function. Press is equal to in cell J7. Press is equal to enter if s function, and then we will enter this complete statement which is given in the question. You can focus on my laptop screen. I'm entering this complete statement. Hire date, if the hire date is less than, okay, enter this complete statement. Hire date is less than and K2. Focus on my laptop screen. I'm entering this complete formula in cell J7 and multiplying by I770. Give me a second. Okay. Please, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course and complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, logical value definition. Okay, value is true. Okay, then logical test is it will show 0. Okay, you can see I have entered this complete formula in cell I7. Then I have find this. Now copy the function from cell J7 and paste in the cell J8 to J23 using the paste formula option. You first will see this formula. I have entered formula in cell J7. Enter if s function into the complete statement which is given in the question. Then we have press enter and it will be show bonus amount in cell J7. Now complete the column. Copy the function from cell J7 and paste it in the range J8 to J23 using the paste formula option. Using the paste formula option, we will select this complete column. We will go to the home tab in the clipboard group, click on paste button, click on paste formula option. Okay, this is good. I have done this question so well. Total question of this assignment is 29. I have done 7 to 8 question in my video. I have done 50 to 60% of this assignment in my video. Please focus and on my PC screen. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. I can do all online courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mentab, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.